some witch bag puppets. Before we started, we actually pre-cut some of the all of the pieces that we needed in order to make our witch bag puppet.
Mom's helping us behind the camera today.
Because Dad was getting ready for trunk or treat.
Let's get started. The first step to doing this is we're gonna take our green from the back here, which is like the skin. And you just kind of line that up. Make sure it kind of goes. Yeah, yours is good. All right, and then you can flip it over and glue it to this part of the bag. And if it goes under here a little bit, just make sure you're not gluing it on top of this part. Just make sure you lift that up. So the next step is to grab this green piece that is just the same size as this. And mine is kind of short, but I did cut myself a little strip here. But we're also gonna have the hat brim on top of that, so you won't even be able to notice. The next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna glue on the brim of the witch hat. So it's gonna go just like this, and you'll glue it like that. And it's supposed to be a little longer than the actual bag. Okay, now we can grab our triangle piece, which is gonna be the top of the witch. But we're gonna flip the bag puppet over, and we're gonna kind of glue it to the back here just a little bit, you know, like it's gonna have like this little line of glue right on the edge. And glue it right to the back. Okay. Now we're gonna grab one of the purple strips that we have. So you just kind of glue that there, and then we'll trim it up with scissors. And the best way to do that would be to flip it over and just kind of cut and cut once you've glued it. Okay. Next step is to grab this big piece of black paper right here, and then you're gonna line it up with the bottom, and this is gonna be like the shirt for the witch, and you just glue it right there. All right, next we can take our little white piece here, and this is good. The shirt, all shirts are kind of like have a little dip down for your neck. It's kind of like the collar area. This is gonna show like a little undershirt, so we'll glue it right there. Now, the next step, we'll do the hair. So you're gonna have two pieces of hair, and it matters which side goes on which. So the straight parts, like this, will go in behind like that, okay? So we can't have it like this. Can't be straight, it's gotta be the flowy side out. And kind of like the hat, like the triangle part of the hat, we're gonna kind of glue it like that, you know, onto the back. Okay, the next step, we'll do the mouth. Grab this red piece for your mouth, and you're just gonna glue it right there, right under the flap. Okay, the next step we will do we can do the eyes. So our googly eyes are the glow-in-the-dark ones we used for the mummy bag puppet last year. And I'm pretty sure they're stickers, but if they're not, you can always just glue them on. Or you can get some white paper and draw on some eyes. Keep in mind we need some room for the nose. So for the nose, you just are gonna glue it right just like that. And it is the same color as this, but you can kind of see the outline, so you can kind of tell where the nose is. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is the belt. So the two colors we're gonna use, you're gonna mostly see the green, but you're gonna see a little strip of purple underneath it, and it's gonna be kind of like that. So I think the way that I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna start with the purple, and I'm gonna glue it right here, and then I'll do the same with the green, except I'll make sure there's a little bit of purple showing. So the last step to doing the witches is this little buckle for the belt. And it's okay if you can only see the green part of the belt, or it's okay if you want to show a little bit of the purple too. But you just glue it right there in the center. Alright, so here are our bag puppets all completed, and here's how they came out.
Ooh.
Hope you liked our witch bag puppets.
Until next time, bye!